Good morning students. Today we are going to see estimating difference. Here difference means in the term for subtraction we are using the difference. So in addition we will use estimation of sum. Here estimating difference. So that is the difference between addition and subtraction. So in the last class we have seen how to subtract the 3-digit number with regrouping, and for subtraction 4-digit number without regrouping we have seen. Here we are going to estimate the difference. So here we are going to subtract the numbers. Estimate means first we have to round off the number to the nearest tens. You know how to round off the numbers. We have to look at the ones place. If it is less than 5, you have to write 0 in the ones place. If it is 5 or more 5 means you have to write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place number. So this is mean by a round offing the number to the nearest tens. So after round offing only you have to subtract the numbers that is given there. So now we shall see to one example that is given in page number 74. Natasha goes to the backstage. There is Natasha and few children are practicing in the backstage, that is rehearsing there. So how many boys are there means 32 boys and 59 girls are there. So we are going to help Natasha to find how many more girls are there than the boys we are going to find. How many more girls are there than the boys we are going to find. So to find, what we are going to do is to subtract the number. So I said 59 girls and 32 girls. So why we are writing 59 at first? Because it is the greatest number, so we are writing at first. Then 32 as a second, this boy's number. So 59 minus 32. To estimate what we have to do, we have to round off the number. So first we have to write the places at first. First write the places. Ones place and tens place. Now write the numbers. 9 in the ones place and 5 in the tens place. And the next number 2 in the ones and 3 in the tens. Now you have to round off the number. How will you round off? To round off you have to look at the ones place number. It is 9 which is greater than 5. So you have to write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place number. So adding 1 to the tens place you will get 6, and writing 0 you will get 0. So write a 0 in the ones place and add 1 to this number, you will get a 6. So totally 60. To the next number we have to check in the ones place. 2 is there. So which is below 5. So you will write 0 in the ones place and you will write the tens place number as it is. So this is mean by round off, you already know. So now you are going to subtract this number. This is mean by estimating difference, that is estimated difference. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. Say before number of 6, which is 5, 4, 3. So 3 I have written. So you have to do subtraction by mentally. So 6 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. You will be saying before number of 6 and you will write as 3 here. So 30 is the estimated difference. So actual difference means as we done in the actual sum, here this is actual difference that we have done for addition. Here we have used for difference. So we have to write the number as it is what is given here. 9 in the ones place and 5 in the tens. And here 2 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Now what you have to do, you have to subtract these numbers at first in the ones place and then in the tens place. First ones place 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 in the fingers, 9 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. You have to say before number of 9 is 8, 7. So write 7. So in the tens place you have to subtract 5 minus 3. 5 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. You have to say before number of 5 is 4, 3, 2. So you get the answer is 2, which is somewhat near. These two answers will be somewhat near. So this is mean by actual difference. Actual difference is that that is you are subtracting the given numbers, what is given the greatest number first and the smallest number. Then we are subtracting from the ones place and the tens place. Here estimated difference, you have to round off first and then you have to subtract the answer. Then you will get. So now we are going to try the exercise problem. So first one is estimate the difference by rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens you are going to round off and then estimate the difference. Okay, first you have to round off the number. To round off the number, as it is what we have done here, the same thing only you are going to try out in the exercise problem also. So we have to write the place values, then write the values in the places. I have written the number here. Now you have to round off each of the numbers. So they have asked, by rounding off only we have to estimate this difference. So write the places for the estimated difference. This is for estimated difference. So for estimated difference, we have to check the ones place number. If it is greater than 5, you have to write 0, and in the tens place you have to add one number, so you will get as 8. And here 23, you have checked ones place, it is less than 5, so write 0 and write the number 2 as it is. So now you got the answer as to subtract the answer, to subtract these two rounded off numbers. So first ones place, 0 minus 0 is 1, then 8 minus 2 is 6. So answer is 60. They have asked only to estimate. So we have done only estimated. They no need of doing actual difference. So estimated difference we have done. First we have to round off the number and we have to write here for estimated difference. Then you have to subtract in the ones place number. I have written 0 minus 0 is 0. Next you have to subtract from the tens place. 8 minus 2. 8 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. Say before number of 8 you will get a 6. Before number of 8 is 7, 6. So write that number 6 here. So this is the answer. So as the same here also you have to round off the number. First give the places, ones, tens. Now write the values here in the places. Then you have to round off each of the numbers, give the places. How will you round off? You have to check to the ones place number. 2 means 0, which is less than 5, 0. 6 before 6 number you have to write as it is. Then here which is less than 5, so you will write as 0 and here 4. Now subtract the number. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 20. So this is estimated difference. The same thing here also. First we have to write the numbers in the places. Ones place, tens place. Write the numbers. 2 in ones, 9 in tens. 4 in ones, 5 in tens. Now we have to round off each of the numbers. To round off we have to look at ones place number. So ones place, tens place. So here 2 which is less than 5, so you will write as 0 and 9 as it is given there. And the next one 54, 4 is which is less than 5, so you will write 0 and here 5 as it is what is given there. So you all know how to round off the number. I have rounded off the number here. So next now we have to subtract the numbers, which is mean by an estimated difference. This one only estimated difference. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Before 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 40 is the answer. So this is estimated difference. And the remaining sums you are going to do as the homework sum. So first what we have to do, we have to round off the number that is given. To round off number we have to check at the ones place number. We have to check ones place. If it is 5 or more than 5 means we have to do that by writing the numbers that are 0 in the ones place and adding 1 to the tens place number. So you will get for that one. And if it is less than means you just write 0 in the ones place and remind in the tens place you have to write as it is. So this is mean by round offing the number. So to the nearest tens. So after rounding off you have to do subtraction. After subtraction you will get the estimated difference. So then here in the first sum we have done actual difference. In the exercise problem they didn't ask for the actual difference. So simply we can do for estimated. They have asked only for estimated the difference by rounding off. So we have done that. And the remaining 3 sums you are going to do as your homework sum. 51 minus 25, 84 minus 46, 99 minus 63. So you are going to do this as your homework sum. First we have to round off the number and then you have to subtract the number. Then only you will get the estimated difference. And the second sum, Priya has to solve 42 sums for homework. She solves some of them. Now 18 sums are left. Estimate the number of sums solved by Priya. So total homework sums is 42 and she solved some of the problems. Some problems she has solved and remaining there are some problems, that is 18 sums are left. Remaining 18 sums are left. She solved some problems, 18 sums she need to solve. So estimate the number of sums solved by Priya. Here the number for solve they didn't given. So we have to find the number that how much problems she has solved we have to find. To solve that number we have to write those two numbers 42 and 18. To subtract that number 18 to that number 42. So to subtract what we have to do, we have to give the places, ones place and tens place. Then you will write the number 42 and 18 in the places. So for that first we have to write the solution part. So what and all given you have to write at first. So Priya has to solve 42 sums. So total homeworks, total sums to solve is 42. Yes, 42 is given. 42 sums are to be solved. And left problems. Number of sums left. So how much is left? 18. So what we are going to find? We are going to find how much problems she has solved. So now we are going to fill the numbers in the places. 2 in the ones place and 4 in the tens. And here 8 in the ones and 1 in the tens. Now you are going to round off the number. Why you are going to round off? In the question what they have asked, estimate the number of sums solved by Priya. We have to estimate the sum. So we have to round off each of the numbers. To round off we have to check to the ones place number. If it is less than 5 you have to write 0 in the ones place. If it is 5 or more than 5 means you have to write 0 in ones place and add 1 in the tens place. So now the first number 42 will be 40 and the next number 18 will be 20. So how I am writing? We have to check to the ones place number and now you have to subtract the number. Here I have rounded off 0 and then I have added 1 to the tens place. So I have got as 20. Now we are going to subtract the number. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. Say before number of 4 you will get as 2. Before number of 4 is 3, 2. So write 2. So now you got the answer as 20. So this is the estimated answer. So the then estimate the number of sums solved by Priya is the question they have asked. So we have estimated as 20 sums she has solved. Priya solved 20 sums. So now we are going to see to the problem number 3. A book has 97 pages. Mayan reads 43 pages on a certain day. Estimate the numbers of pages left to be read. So here I have given what and all in the question I have mentioned here. The given part and the what we have to find. So total number of pages is 97 and Mayan reads 43 pages. So number of pages Mayan reads is 43 I have mentioned. Then the question they have asked, estimate the number of pages left to be read. So how much pages are left? Number of pages left to be read. That is we have to subtract the number 43 to this number. Then only we will get the answer. So what we have done? We have to subtract 43 to this number 97. Then only we will get the remaining part. Remaining how much that Mayan needs to read. So first we have to write the places. We have to estimate the difference. So to estimate first we have to round off the number. So write the places. So what are the places? What are the values there? 7 ones and 9 tens. And the next number is 3 ones, 4 tens. Now you have to subtract these numbers. Before subtracting we have to round off the number, each of the numbers. So write the places. Now check to the ones place. It is greater than 5. 7 is there, greater than 5. So you will write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 9 plus 1 is 10. So here comes the hundreds place also. So write 0 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. So now the next number you have to round off. So here 3 is there which is less than 5. So you can write 0 in the ones place and write 4 as it is what is given there. So now you can subtract the number. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And then in the tens place you have to subtract 0 minus 4. Here 0 is smaller number. So you have to borrow from the hundreds place. So borrow. So 1 should be cancelled and right before number of 1 is 0 and you have to write 1 before the number. So 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So write the number 6. So 10 should be in the mind and 4 in the fingers. So say before number of 10 is 9, 8, 7, 6. So that's why 6 we got. So the answer is 60. So 60 more pages he needs to read. That the number of pages left to be read is 60. That Moyen needs to read 60 pages. Remaining 60 pages are there. So because total number of pages is 97 and the Moyen reads 43 pages and the remaining pages he needs to read is 60 pages. So right, the number of pages left to be read is 60. So or you can read 60 pages left to be read by the Moyen. You can write in the statement. And the next sum we are going to see. Rim bought 62 liter of milk in May and 89 liter of milk in June. Estimate how much more milk she bought in June. So I have mentioned here what is given and what we need to find. So now we can write the places and we can find the answer. So what I have written there, number of milk Rim bought in May. So May she bought 62 liter and the number of milk Rim bought in June. June how much? 89. So what they have asked in the question, they have asked to estimate how much more milk she bought in June. So in June she bought more. See to this number 62 and 89. Which one is greater? 89 is greater. So we have how much more she has bought in June than the May we are going to find. So to find we have to subtract 89 minus 62. Before subtracting we have to round off the number because they have asked for estimating difference. So write the places, ones and tens. Now write the numbers, 9 in the ones and 8 in the tens, then 2 in the ones and 6 in the tens. And now you have to subtract this number. Before subtracting what you have to do, you have to round off the number. So ones place, tens place. Here 9 which is greater than 5. So write 0 in the ones place and add 1 in the tens place number. So you will get as 9. So next number 2 is in the ones place. So it is less than 5. So write 0 and write the number in the tens place as it is. Now you subtract this number. So now you have to subtract in the ones place. 0 minus 0 is 0. And the tens place you have to subtract 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 9 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. Say before number of 9 is 8, 7, 6. So we have got as 30. Here we have found the estimated difference that they have asked to find the more number of milk that Rim bought in June. So we have found as 30 by subtracting the numbers. Ones place we have to subtract and then in the tens place number. 9 minus 6 we have got as 3. So we have to keep 9 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. So say before number of 9 up to 6, count 6 for the fingers, then you get as 30. So do it in your mind itself. So we have got the answer here. So the next sum, fifth sum, you are going to do as your homework sum. Rahul got rupees 81 as his weekly pocket money. He spent rupees 57 to buy snacks. Find the approximate amount of money left with him. So here also we are going to estimate the sum. Here the word approximate is given. So the same thing, rounding of the number, the same thing only the approximate means. So here also we are going to estimate the number. Rahul got 81 rupees. His pocket money for weekly he will get a pocket money that is rupees 81. So he spent rupees 57 for buying snacks. So he have bought 57. He spent 57 rupees. So we have to find how much money will be remaining with him. So how much rupees is left with him. That amount is left with him. So to find that the amount left, we have to subtract that number. Here they have asked for estimate. They have asked to approximate the number of amount. So to approximate, we have to round off the number first. Give the places for each of the numbers. Then give the values for that places. And then you have to round off the number. You have to round off the number, you have to look at the ones place number. If it is less than 5, you have to write 0 in the ones place and write the number in the tens place as it is. If it is 5 or more than 5, what you have to do, you have to write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place number. Then you can subtract that number, then you will get the answer. So the next sum, sixth sum we are going to see. An ice cream shop sold 67 ice creams on Saturday and 83 ice cream on Sunday. Estimate the difference between the number of ice cream sold on Saturday and Sunday. So ice cream shop sold ice cream on Saturday. It is given as 67. 67 ice cream sold on Saturday and on Sunday 83. So now we are going to estimate the difference, that how much more needs to sold on the difference between that they have sold right on Saturday and Sunday. So that we are going to find the difference between them, 67 and 83, the difference we are going to find. So how will you find the difference? We have to subtract. To find the difference, we have to subtract the number, but they have asked to estimate. So estimate means you have to round off the number at first. They have asked estimate the difference between the numbers of ice cream sold on Saturday and Sunday. So we are going to find the difference. So write their places. 3 in the ones place and 8 in the tens. Then 7 in ones and 6 in tens. Now you can round off the number. So write the places. 3 is 0 and 8 will be as it is, because it is less than 5. The ones place number, it is less than 5. So you are writing 0 in the ones place and writing 8 as it is. And here 67, 7 in the ones place, which is greater than 5. So you are writing 0 in the ones place and adding 1 to the number 6. So you will get 7. Now you can subtract the number here. So ones place number, 0 minus 0 is 0 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So write that 0 minus 0 is 0 and 8 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 10 that we have got. So the difference between that, the number they have sold is, ice cream sold is 10. The difference they have asked. Estimate the difference between the number of ice cream sold on Saturday and Sunday is 10 ice creams that we have found. We have estimated the difference. So today we have seen how to estimate the difference. Here estimate the difference means subtraction. So thank you students. Do the homeworks what I have given for you.